With the new school year almost upon us, we thought it would be fun to look back at some of the great things we've accomplished together over the last 12 months. We delivered hundreds of courses to thousands of students, some online, some in person, but all to a high college standard. We forged our first memorandum of understanding with the Mississaugas of the Credit First Nation, an exciting new chapter for our treaty partnership. We broke ground on Limberlost Place, a new college building that will change our imprint on the city. We were named one of the top research colleges in Canada and provided research opportunities to over 1,000 students. We remediated hundreds of campus computers and made major updates to our technological infrastructure, including migrating to cloud-based email and changes to single sign-on. We launched our new Class of Your Own campaign, a bold new direction for our external marketing. We strengthened our commitment to anti-racism through our new action plan and signing of the Scarborough Charter. We found innovative ways to support our students, from good food boxes to online workouts and meditation. We celebrated our talented graduates with an in-person convocation at Meridian Hall. And we've continued to be a great employee community through the challenges of the pandemic and beyond, both on and off campus. Thank you, GBC employees, for all that you do.